What's good, YouTube? Today we got a super exclusive remote. This is the 2019 Chevy Impala, and I've equipped it with the V6, the new V6 remote. Never seen before today, never seen before I've done it. Look at what time it is. It's 6:40 in the morning. I gotta be to work by 7. I'm about to shoot this video real fast. I just want to let y'all know the V6 only available from lcdsmartkey.com. And also, when you touch it, I don't know if you can hear it, but it vibrates when you touch it. Okay, let's swipe to the left. You hear that? Okay. Now, let's get into the test on it so y'all can see. Let's do the remote start. Let's do the trunk. Let's do the unlock. Let's do the lock. I do have it upside down. It actually goes this orientation. Lock. Unlock. Show you again. Unlock. You only have to tap it on this one. Trunk and remote start. You know my thing. I got a whole remote start just in case some of y'all got the button where you hold it. See that lighting up red? It does hold. Trunk. You can hold it. You can press it twice. Wait. I didn't have it on the thing. You see it now. Okay. And other than that, you can also change the what is it? The UI style. You can change it to have a car on the front. And let's say you want to go back now. It will look a little different now. See that? A couple different screens. And other than that, that's all I want to show you guys. This is the V6 from lcdsmartkey.com. We have them in this color. We also have them in LED fluorescent red. Amazing remotes, guys. Gotta keep this video short. All right, catch you guys later. Tesla signing out. V6 available, lcdsmartkey.com. Tesla. Tesla Roadster.